Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Kraken account. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the easiest way to find the official Kraken website if you are not already familiar with the exact web address. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type in Kraken. Then run the search so you can view the results. On the results page, look for the official Kraken listing. You want to select the result labeled Kraken, Own the Power of Your Money, Crypto, Stocks. This helps make sure you are heading to the correct site rather than a third-party page. As a general safety tip, it is always a good idea to double-check that you are clicking the official website when creating any financial account online. After the Kraken homepage opens, move to the top right area of the page and click Sign Up. This will take you to the account creation page where you can begin entering your details. Next, type your email address into the email field. Be sure to use an email account that you can access easily, since most platforms like this will send you important messages such as verification links, security notices, or account updates. Using an active and secure email address will make the setup process smoother and help you manage your account later. Once your email has been entered, click Continue. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete your registration. Depending on what Kraken requires at the time you sign up, you may be asked to confirm your email, create login credentials, or provide additional information to verify your account. Just read each screen carefully and proceed one step at a time. As you move through the setup, take a moment to review any instructions shown on the page before submitting your information. This can help you avoid small mistakes and make the process faster overall. It is also a good idea to choose strong security settings during sign-up so your account is better protected from the start. And that's it. By going to Google, searching for Kraken, opening the official website, selecting Sign Up, entering your email address, and continuing through the on-screen registration process, you can create your Kraken account and get started. Follow each prompt carefully, and you should be able to complete the setup without any trouble.